Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is April 4th. We do have things in the red this morning. Corn down about 4 cents. Beans dropping back about 3 3/4, with wheat down about 5. Export sales came out this morning a little bit friendly for corn and beans, but disappointing for wheat. A big story in the wheat yesterday. Guys were all hyped up because we were going to see China come in here and buy some wheat. They were talking about 500,000 tons of wheat purchased from China. We've got to wait and see if that does get announced here today. These exports are from last week, so a little disappointing for wheat, and we're getting a little bit of a pullback from that. But watch for that confirmation. It is just a rumor at this time. We'll see if that does get confirmed here today. We saw beans pull back quite a bit yesterday. A lot of chatter out there about a bean processing plant in Kansas, a Bunge operation that is looking at shutting down for a while. That's going to affect negatively here on domestic crush, and may put a little pressure yet on beans. But we still haven't seen China come in and buy beans yet. There was talks of that if we saw this big break from last Thursday's report, we were going to see some buying come back in here and maybe spur some more purchases. Well, we haven't seen that yet. So continue watching for that. That may still occur here on these pullbacks that we're getting. But as of right now, nothing up until this point. So some of the outside markets, the dollar up about 40 cents right now. You've got crude oil dropping back about 50 cents. So 94.20 for crude. We did break below that 95 support area. That may take us back down near 90 and try to retest some of those lows that we've seen over the last few months. The metals, gold and silver, have been hit very hard this week. Gold down another $7 right now. Silver down just about 6 cents. But gold down $49 for the week so far. And silver down at $1.56. So those are some pretty big moves as far as metals. Continue watching them. They've taken out some good support areas, and the charts do continue to look weak. As far as the stock market, that's been strong, up another 29 right now. S&P up about 3 1/4 cents pre-market trade. So maybe we can get a little better start here for the stock market as well. But things are looking up, as far as those markets. But cattle, 20 cents higher right now. Still waiting on to see where cash will trade this week. We've seen some 129 out there. That's steady with last week. Can we get higher than that? We saw a nice jump yesterday as far as cattle. We're up again today. We'll see what kind of trade we can continue to have. So stay in touch with us. We'll let you know what things are or what's going on there as well. But the futures are going to react to that. So keep an eye on that. Box beef, not doing a lot. Choice up 6, select down 61. It's a pretty sloppy trade this week as far as wholesale beef prices. But the cash is king. Continue watching that. That's going to have a bigger effect on cattle prices. As far as hogs, we're about 50 cents higher right now, 81.80. We've seen this seasonal turn for hogs. We're getting another boost from that. We've seen cash markets a little stronger as well. That's helping push futures prices. So if we do continue to see that, we're going to probably end up seeing this market supported on pullbacks. The tendency is that we do rally this time from April and on into June, into those summer months. So we've got Junes and Julys that we are pretty friendly on right now, looking for pullbacks as buying opportunities yet as far as hogs. So a lot of information today. Keep an eye on these additional sales. We get out at 8 o'clock to see if we have had any overnight sales. That may push the market today, but we are finding some residual effect from that bearish report last Thursday yet in the corn. Any kind of rallies have been capped at this point, and that may continue until we get to next Wednesday, the supply and demand report. So continue watching that. If you have questions, call us. We're here for you. We're here to get you any information that you need. So give us a call at 800-262-7538. Or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today, and I'll talk to you later. Take care.